Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chainalysis tool for compliance and transaction tracing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Chainalysis for compliance and transaction tracing, you will first need to create an account on the Chainalysis website. Visit the Chainalysis homepage and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information to create a new user account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Chainalysis dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings section to configure your account according to your organization's needs. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and access rights for compliance tools. Next, explore the Chainalysis product offerings to understand which tools best suit your requirements. Select the specific tool for transaction tracing, such as Chainalysis Reactor or Chainalysis Cryptus. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable the selected tool for your account. Now, you will need to integrate the tool with your existing systems. If your organization uses a blockchain wallet or exchange, locate the integration options within the tool. Provide any required API keys or authentication tokens to link the tool with your blockchain systems. Once the integration is complete, configure the settings for transaction tracing. This includes setting risk thresholds and determining the type of transactions to monitor. After configuring these settings, proceed to set up compliance alerts. Define the criteria for alerts based on transaction patterns or suspicious activity. Make sure to provide contact information for team members who will receive these alerts. Next, you should familiarize yourself with the user interface of the tool. Take time to explore the dashboard, transaction history, and reporting features. Conduct a test run by analyzing a few transactions to ensure everything functions correctly. As you work through the tool, document any specific processes or workflows for your team. Finally, hold a training session for your team to ensure everyone understands how to use the tool effectively. Stay updated with Chainalysis resources and community forums for best practices and new feature releases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.